So, hello, my dear friends, and I hope you all are doing very good. And here are the things that we are going to discuss. So, many people are asking, commenting, sir, why you are not giving any updates? See, we don't have anything 100% accuracy until unless there is official notice come, right? So far, we don't have any official notification. There is a high chance that within 1 or 2 days, yes, because tomorrow is Sunday, and after that, it can come official notification. You see, not only this, I am getting lots of comments, lots of messages, inboxes. Sir, when will be CUET PG exam? When will be schedule come? When will be course Y come? Even in our group, so many messages I found. Anyone whose idea, like have idea that when to know exact date of CUET pgEco exam, or similarly sociology exam, anthro exam. So lots of comment I am getting. That's why I thought I cannot reply everyone else. So yes, more than 50 plus messages in my inbox. Yes, right now what I can show you here. So this is just example. Just I put 1 or 2 messages so that you can understand. And tackling or replying everyone, it's not possible. And if I don't reply anyone, sometimes a sort of disappointment is also attached to them. So वो लोग थोड़े disappointment होंगे कि सर reply नहीं कर रहे हैं वगैरह वगैरह. So in between I must tell you that admit card of examination scheduled for 29, 30, 31st मई का जो है वो आपका आ जाया है. That is on 26th. ये 26th का ट्वीट है. I think 27th का, sorry 27th का ट्वीट है. Today only you see this one 27th, right? Today's tweet. And when is exam? 29. So almost 3 days before that they publish the admit card. However, center is already given around 8 to 9 days कि आपका center this city में पड़ेगा. So in that context, we can understand that कि what will be going to happen for CUET PG. Okay, CUET PG. And regarding CUET PG 23 examination that you can see here, some people, like one comment, it is publicly there, so I did not hide the name. Anybody can see the tweet actually. So some people is like, it's written, respected sir, this please humble request, please exam the extend till 10 June. Somebody is writing 12 June, somebody writing 15 June. So many states exam is also going on. So you can do one thing. Why this CUET is not actually taking action, let me tell you. Because people are too much confused, because there is a class between what? Semester exam and CUET exam. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, semester exam or बहुत सारे comment. You see this one. Wait, one more tweet. Sir, please extend CUET PG exam. Sir, please extend CUET PG exam. One people are also commenting, sir, city information, this, that. So people are tagging. So you can do also think if you want any kind of extension in date, and there is a chance that's why now they are not taking any action clearly. However, they have released the notice कि between 5th to 17th June there will be CUET PG examination, but there is no any clear cut idea. Exact date means आपका हिस्ट्री का ये होगा, साइंस मीन्स पॉलिटिकल साइंस का ये होगा, लाइफ साइंस का ये होगा, इकोनॉमिक्स का will be on this date. These they are not they are not able to find it out, and there is a high chance between 2 to 3 already tomorrow Sunday. So we can expect कि by Monday some decision we will have. And please don't get panic. इस तरह का आप लोग मैसेजेस करना और कमेंट करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है. देख सकते हैं आप बहुत सारे मैसेजेस हैं. I did not put all that I cannot put. So कोई फायदा नहीं है. Just I would say कि you please keep preparing hard, keep solving questions PYQ, and keep checking the syllabus कि any portion you did not miss out. As soon as notifications come officially, if official comes, I will definitely update, at least on my Telegram channel, that official Telegram link which is just given below, or on the YouTube channel. Okay. And here you can see that in between I must tell you I have started CUET PG 2024 course. All details are here given. You can contact me anytime. And NviNomics आप लोग apps download कर ले, NviNomics app. The link is given below for NviNomics apps. You will get lots of content for NET JRF, for CUET PG, for so many things. All books are available there, and so many my handwritten notes are there. So many videos are there. So you please check out the app. Very good app, and so many free content में आप जाएंगे. Free material करके एक section होगा, वहाँ free material में आप so many things you could access. So this was the update. I request you people who is looking for the extension, you can also tweet like this. If there will be a large cry from the people side, if there is a large demand from the people side, so there is a chance कि extension हो जाए exam में. Nearly 1 week का तो extension होना चाहिए. Even I think exam must start from 10th June minimum. Right now they have given 5th June. So at least 10 to 11 से exam start होना चाहिए. After that they should start exam until I think 25th of June they could conduct. So let's see what is going to happen. Within 2 to 3 days all notifications will be given here only, as well as on the Telegram channel. So please stay tuned guys, please subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any kind of notification and please stop commenting कि सर ये कब होगा वो कब होगा, सर आप कुछ नहीं बता रहे हैं, सर आप टाइम पास कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ही वीडियो बना रहे हैं. नो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, वॉट एवर ऑफिशियल आई हैव आई एम डूइंग दैट ओनली एंड आई कैनॉट रिप्लाई एवरीथिंग. तो इसलिए मैंने सोच रहा हूँ 5-6 मिनट का वीडियो बना के आप लोगों को मैं डिटेल में बता दूँ. आई कैनॉट चीट एवरीवन की एग्जैक्ट डेट यही होगा, एग्जैक्ट डेट वही होगा, बट सिंस बिगिनिंग आई बीन टेलिंग यू कि whatsoever date they kept earlier, they kept 4 to 13, right? So since beginning I've been telling you 13 तक एग्जाम पॉसिबल नहीं है, so nearly at least 1 week extension होगा. Now they are going till 17th. Again I have chance कि थोड़ा extension और होगा, little extension is there. Let's hope क्या होता है and wish you all the best. If any notifications come, I will update you. And people whose examination is going to class, please candidate, please comment section or you please just tag that Mahima Dala 90, that is the Twitter ID of Jagdish sir, which is the UGC chairman, or you can also tag that DG in NTA, so that they can take your that query seriously, and if there is a large demand from the people side, so that Jagdish sir will take some action, okay, in the favor of students. So I wish you all the best. I don't think I have missed anything, whatsoever doubt in your mind, and it's now very high chance for revision. Many people are doing mock, many people are doing so many things. No, only revision and PYQ, regardless of science, physics, chemistry, math, social science, political science, whatsoever CUET you are doing, just revision, basic concept you should revise. Don't miss anything, whatever notes you have made and everything. Okay, then subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends so that people who are in the panic, and please download the NviNomics app, link is given below, everything is available, everything. And people who is looking for 2024 course details are given here. Batch is going to start on 6th of June, okay, 6th June 2020. Bye bye, see you soon in the next video. All the best guys.